How to fix gaming app not showing in app screen or home screen after download on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series or the S23. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And in here, swipe across and locate the Gaming Hub. So open the Gaming Hub app. Next, tap on the More button. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. In the Gaming Hub settings, go down, then tap on Show Game Apps. In here, by default, it is set to In Gaming Hub only, so you want to choose In Gaming Hub and the Home and App screens. So tap on that. Now you can see here, if I select In Gaming Hub only, and if I go into my app screen, it will not show the games in here. So if I switch it on, so I will turn on In Gaming Hub and the Home and App screen. This time, if I go into my app screen, you can see they are now showing Games app. And that's it. So that is how you can fix the issue with Game app not showing in app screen or home screen after download. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.